Caffeine and Hustle. We are a group of machine learning engineers starting this practical machine learning course to let anyone interested in machine learning get their hands dirty with real machine learning concepts, projects, and implementations. Well, as you know that there are so many great machine learning resources out there, but most of them focus on machine learning theoretical concepts. So we started this course with an intention to provide you best machine learning techniques focusing on projects and implementation. This video is an introduction, and every Thursday and Monday we will post a new video as a part of this course. So subscribe us to get notifications and new updates. So today we are going to cover the introduction of machine learning, where we will discuss about what is machine learning, difference between machine learning, artificial intelligence, and deep learning, timelines, machine learning examples and use cases, what is practical machine learning, and what to expect from this course. So what exactly is machine learning? Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning focuses on development of computer programs that can access data and use it learn for themselves. Machine learning is the science of getting computers to act without being explicitly programmed. What exactly is the difference between machine learning, artificial intelligence, and deep learning? Well, AI means getting a computer to mimic human behavior in some way, whereas machine learning is a subset of AI and it consists of techniques that enable computers to figure out things from the data and deliver AI applications. Whereas deep learning, meanwhile, is a subset of machine learning that enables computers to solve more complex problems. So when and where it all started? Well, it started in 1950 when Alan Turing created a test to check if a machine could fool a human being into believing it was talking to a machine. Then in 1952, first computer learning program, A Game of Checker, was written by Arthur Samuel. Extensive use of machine learning started in the year 1990, and now it's considered the golden era of machine learning. While there are many use cases of machine learning in today's world, we are covering the most popular ones, like for smartphones, where you have voice assistant, camera object detection, app store and play store recommendation, face recognition. For transportation, we have dynamic pricing of just in case if you book flights and all, Google Maps, route selection, etc. Web services, spam filtering, Google search, Google Translate, and ads. Where in the case of sales and marketing, we have recommendation engines, personalized marketing, chatbots, and customer support. In the case of security, it's video surveillance, cybersecurity, etc. In the financial domain, we have fraud detection, which is basically credit card fraud detection. The project we will implement later in this part of the course, in the next part of the course. Personalized banking, and other popular use cases of machine learning are self-driving cars, drug discovery and development in the field of healthcare, and many more. So, but what exactly is practical machine learning, and why is it so important to us? Well, you know the theory of machine learning and know how to create your first algorithms. Now what? Are you ready to apply all the theory and knowledge to real life machine learning challenges? Well, practical machine learning is all about getting your hands dirty by solving real industry challenges. Well, this is how you can differentiate yourself from being a theoretical machine learning learner to a practical machine learning implementer. Well, are you ready to get your hands dirty? What do you expect from this course? So we will be covering a lot of practical concepts, which some of them would be hands-on labs, real-time project implementations, machine learning best practices, startup ideas, cheat sheets, ML hacks, and ML research, and many more. Who can take this course and how? So we will be publishing new videos on every Thursday and Monday. And who can take this course? Well, whether it's business leaders aiming to improve their understanding of data science and machine learning to coordinate better with teams on tactical database initiative, or to take data-driven decisions, or aspiring data scientists seeking to master the practical aspects of problem framing and model deployment. The course addresses topics, tools, and techniques to help professionals from any background having interest in machine learning to enhance their machine learning skills practically. Are you interested? Well, if you are, then subscribe to our channel, where you will can get new videos posted every Thursday and Friday. You can leave your comments and let us know any ML topic of your interest which we can cover in this course. Also, if you like our videos, then please press like, and then this basically motivates us to provide valuable content to you with our videos. And just in case, if you're on Instagram, then we have a Instagram profile with the handle caffeine and hustle 2019. Stay tuned, and thank you